Amazon to launch drone delivery service. Amazon has announced plans to launch a drone delivery service that will get items to customers in 30 minutes or less. Great idea, Amazon, but couldn't it go horribly wrong? What with all the gun lovers and terrorists in America? Will the drones be accident-proof? And what if people want to steal them? And then folks who make a living delivering stuff will be out of work. And Lord knows what the NSA might be scheming to do. Other companies will probably follow suit. And who knows, maybe it'll become a normal thing. Would you tip your drone?